So welcome students. So in this question, you're given two informations about z and omega. That is mod of z omega is equal to 1 and argument of z minus argument of omega is equal to pi by 2. So if that is so, what is z bar into omega? That's the question. So what is z bar into omega? So first, let us try to find the mod of z bar omega. What is mod of z bar omega? So mod of z bar omega is nothing but mod of z bar into mod of omega, and mod of z bar is same as mod z, that is mod z into mod omega, that is again equal to mod of z omega, and it is given as equal to 1. That is, this complex number has modulus of 1. Now let us try to find the argument of this. What is the argument of z bar omega? That is nothing but argument of z bar plus argument of omega, right? Because argument of z1, z2 is arg z1 plus arg z2. And what is argument of z bar? Argument of z bar is nothing but minus argument of z. So minus argument of z plus argument of omega. And what is this given as? Argument of z minus argument of omega is pi by 2. So argument of omega minus argument of z is nothing but minus pi by 2. So this is a complex number whose mod is equal to 1 and argument is equal to minus pi by 2. So what should be the complex number? It should be minus I. So option D is the right answer. Thank you.